Hello, this is Charlie's Trains. We have the 5413 Lionel steam locomotive, New York Central coal tender, and some of the passenger cars from Reading Company. We got the Amtrak going through the train bridge, coming around. There comes the steam locomotive, and you can see the smoke coming up from it. It's really puffing away here. There goes the Amtrak coming around. Everything's looking good. And if you could you please subscribe to me on YouTube? It's Charlie's with apostrophe S Trains, and it's 9169. I appreciate it. Thank you. And thank you for watching my videos, and I hope you're enjoying them. Have a great day, everybody. Be safe.